The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So, my sister was in a relationship with somebody they have 3 kids and they have a relationship over. The relationship has been over. So anybody want to tag anybody in this video, y'all can tag it, share it, like it, whatever. But this video is really to send a message. My sister has been in a relationship with this guy. They broke up 15 years ago. Their youngest child, I think, is 15, 16. So my sister has no peace. She live in Treasure Beach, right? In my mother's house have no windows left. He broke out all of the windows in my mother's house. And literally, he set his own children against my sister. An incident happened that I am not proud of, and I'm not going to speak on it. I'm not proud of the incident that happened between my sister and her son. But before we get to that incident, Pedro Plain Police Station, the crime stop, Jamaica Constabulary Force, you guys have gotten several complaints from my sister. She has come to the police station several times. She has made several reports. Now, Dayton Henry, you cannot hide. You continuously mash up my mother's house with my sister in it. You've taken to social media. And that is why I am putting my voice behind it, because everybody knows me. And there's no way that I'm not going to put my voice on it, right? So you constantly, you're going to put up the pictures and the videos with the incident that happened with her and her son. And I'm not going to talk about it, guys, where my sister's son was chopped. And he was chopped by her. But it wasn't like she'd have chopped up her son. It's an incident that's under investigation, and I'm not going to speak on it. But before all of that, and with everything that has happened to her in the last 15 years, is that my sister has no peace because she decided to lie down with a dog, with a piece of germs, with something like you. When she did see her come, she should have run back up in her mama. Because people like Uno for 15 years, my mother's house not have no window. There's no peace. And none of your family members not telling you that it's not okay. Everybody just willing now to put my sister on social media and say, oh, she's a child abuser. She's this, she's that. Well, I know her, because as she born after me is me then her. And I'm sending a direct message to Dayton. Let me tell you something. I tell you this tonight. What would the date be? Somebody give me the date. You can't do my sister nothing and run away. I tell you that on camera. Because none of us has gotten involved over 15 years. None of we not say nothing. We say, yo, una baby father and baby mother una no day. And we just are going to make it work out. But we realize, you decide, you want to take our life. And she not to defend herself. Or today, the 14th of December, me, Gay and Brown, and make you know, you can run, but you can't hide. You can run, and I want the whole of Treasure Beach. From here, me, because I'm not afraid of none about. I'm not afraid of nobody. I'm going to make you know tonight, with blood in my eye, say it is time that you feel like you can go up on social media and talk about my sister and post where you want to post. And your family, them, and everybody, and this little dumb person where you have writing up on your social media. Because we know you can't read. We know you can't read. So when you have my sister up on Instagram and you talk the truth. When you're going to speak the truth. When you're speaking, stop trying to get sympathy. Talk how you lick out every window to my mother's house. Talk about how you're constantly hiding behind my mother's house. Talk about how my sister can't walk. She can't do nothing. Talk about the fact that it's 3 weeks. It's 4 weeks now your son get chopped. And this week you want to defend it. All right. Why you never defend it when it just happened? Why you got to my sister and I said to her, say, she go sleep with man and box her in her face. Is that your business? She take you. Una excuse my language today. Big bitch. Because you're a big bumblehole bitch. Me not afraid of you. I'm not take down this. I'm not want nobody tell me take it down. Come and not take it down. Oh, me no business. Oh, him crazy. Him think him crazy. Him never see mad yet. Him act like him a idiot. Every time him go down there, lick out the window, turn the pitney them against her. She's had to work like a dog. You not mind your pitney them. Why you not tell the world say you not mind your pitney them? Have you mind your kids? You send them go to school or you left them panar? Listen, man, me not get involved over 15 years. We decide say, none of we not say nothing. My sister, we no cuss. Me no cuss, you know. Me never cuss, but dirty John Crow. Me a make you know, say. We not afraid of you. And me not gonna make you kill my sister before me say something. Cause me a tell you this. All if you're dead, you're go dead again. If you do nothing to my sister and think say you can hurt yourself. You're too wicked. You feel like say you can walk up and down and put her on social media because she not have nobody and none of we not say nothing. You know. You post it, your family post it, and none of we not say nothing. She fit chop off him head. Or that she should have killed him long time. And then she would have free. Cause people like them there. She not have no peace. She can't live her life. She go where she go have a next picnic. She left you. Brother. Love my sister. Cause you feel like say for 15 years, you know. None of it. My mother not say nothing. Grace not say nothing. Alice not say nothing. Ken not say nothing. Cause we say we not get involved with them. But all of a sudden, you decide, so you put her on social media, and you're going to make sure say she can't live, and you're going to make sure say you terrorize her. But let me tell you something, brother. If the devil send you, you better beg him take you back. Because let me tell you something. Me personally, I make sure say me make a call to all of the relevant authorities. I want everybody to Crime Stop, Pedro Plain Police Station, Black River Police Station, Magati Police Station, to let them know that this has been happening for 15 years and they have a report, they have a record in a them system, but on a plan for do nothing. It's like I have to wait till things happen in Jamaica. Because me not say, nothing happen to my sister, no, me not speak that. Because you can't, me never that now come up anybody are dead than you. Because me not speak that. So them need for come take you. Because you just beat my sister. My sister go about her business, you know. Come back her yard, you know, and sweep up her shop. Because me see the video, you post it. You posted the video. I just watched it. She sweep up her shop. She mind her business. And you take up stone and a fling pan her. For what? So when you fling the stone and mash up her side, and she have to go back to hospital this morning, and she have to go to hospital one day, and then nobody enough to defend it, and you have to act like say, I saw it go. For 15 years, you go just beat up one woman, you go just do what you want with her, and you feel like say it go so. I want them send this to you, because me not afraid of you. You know me will step in your face. But me now, you think me fool? You think me an idiot? You think we are idiot? You can't do none of with nothing. But enough is enough. Enough is enough. Yes, I saw people lose them life because we not get involved. All of we say we not get involved, and this is the problem. All of we just get quiet. We not talk about it. We just allow it. We make them live. Cause a baby father and baby mother. So none of we not get involved. For so long, we decide so we not gonna get involved. But me get involved today. Because my sister, you put my sister all over social media. Because you decide, say, yeah, police not give you no justice. So where the justice for my mother glass window then when you brought them out? Where the justice for my sister when you beat her up all the time? Where the justice? Where's the justice? Where my sister justice there? You as a big bumble hole, you want justice. So where fear justice there? Big pussy data, now you me a chat to. Where barely justice there? When you decide, say, you continuously, I go fuck with her night and day, do what you want with her, so a stone make she. So she not have no blood running her. Hey, let me tell you something, man. Them always say no. You see people when a idle dog worry sheep, you don't have nothing for do. You don't have nothing for do. You need some work. You need some work. Because you don't have nothing for do. You don't have nothing for do. This is my sister, my blood sister. My sister was born after me. For 15 years, you've been terrorizing her, beating her. She can't live in a peace. The house broke out. The window them broke out. My mother left her house. Give me sister with her picnic them. And you decide say, you're not going to make them have no peace. You decide say, you're going to terrorize our night. And you're going to terrorize our day. And none of we not get involved. We not say nothing. Because we say, yo, our baby father, we're going to shut him out. Maybe him will leave her alone. But it a get from bad to worse. It a get from bad to worse. She can't walk. She can't have nobody in her shop. She have her shop and if nobody come for drink, you fling rock stone in there. You broke it up. You mash it up. And nobody not say nothing. Because you're big and you're bad. But all of a sudden, you want justice now. Yeah, you want justice now, big pussy bitch. You want justice now. You want justice after you done mash up our life. We want justice. We want justice. Hear what me I say, Facebook people. Because I don't know. No see me like this, but this is my family. I read this all of the time. Every day I go out, I see this in a social spaces. This is my sister. This is my family. For 15 years, yeah. She have an incident with her son. Where you set her pitney them pan her. And you almost make her pitney kill her. And she grab the machete and have the machete like this in her hand. And the little boy running at the machete. Because my sister try to defend her life. And you go say my sister chop up her pitney. But you not talk what really happened. Me not defend her. Me not defend wrong. Brother. Come even tell her. Me say, yo, you better are your pitney. But sometimes when I hear life and you stand up and look upon your life a flash, no man no know what them are going to do when them see them life a flash. But the boy no decide for left my sister alone. Him no decide for left Deidre and Harrison alone. Him no decide 15 years she can't walk in peace. She can't live. She have 3 picnic field. 3 boys. She give you 3 sons. And you never have no respect for yourself and for your picnic them. She go have another picnic. And you're still in at the backyard at night time. She can't have no business. She can't have no peace. Me tell her if you run left them. Run. Your life worth more than everything else. But because you feel like say you can't. So all of a sudden, guys, you know, he terrorized my sister for years. And an incident happened. And I'm not making any apologies for my sister. And if you guys go and look at the incident, you can see it's there. I'm not apologize for it. Oh, she report him all the time. And every time the police, them say them not have no vehicle, them can't find him. Remember, you know, it's 15 years now, you know. An incident happened with her son this year. It happened last month. A very bad incident. I'm not going to pretty it up. I'm not going to make it look nice, y'all. An incident happened. But it's what happened behind the incident. I can't take up for my sister. I can't say the little boy got injured by his mom. He did get injured. But guys, is the frustration, is the years of abuse, is the things that have come behind it. No man is an island. She feel like she stand up by herself. She feel like she stand up by herself for so long. She can't walk. She can't go nowhere. She can't do nothing. Yeah, him alright. Him to get some cut in him face. You know? But my sister not have no life. Me no know how she survived. Me no know how my sister make it. Last week, him take some big stone and mash her up. Lick her down her shop. And me see the video, you know. Him post the video, you know. Me see her sweep up her shop. Because me never did I go say nothing. Me see everything I go on social media. Me say me not get involved, y'all. But him post the video. And me see her sweep up her shop. Good. And him start fling be a stone over there. So she have to go defend her, him take some rock stone and mash up the whole her side, yeah, so. Mash her up. And I go tell lie, say, at the incident what happened with her son a month now. And that him a defend. When him see her the day before and I say, you go with man. You go with man. When she want go with man? When she want go with man? Goody, me pray night and day. Me and my family, we join prayer visual. Marie, I pray night and day. That's why I make that video, yeah. And for all of the people that hear me cussing on that video, yeah, I not apologize. I never go tell them say I'm sorry for cuss, because I'm not sorry. But that's I make them know, say there comes a point in life where each man have to stand up for something. And me stand up and fight for the whole people. I fight for people all the time. So it is impossible that I'm not going to fight for my sister. It is impossible that I'm going to stand here and allow somebody else to hurt my family. 15 years. None of we not get involved. We not say nothing. 15 years. You get away with this. 15 years. And the police them at Jamaica now do nothing. PJ Plain police station. Crime stop. Jamaica Constabulary Force. My sister need help. She need help. She need help. PJ Plains police station. Sandybank, Jamaica. My sister need help. Somebody need to send a video. My sister need help. For 15 years, she not have no peace, brother. And we not get involved. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of wake up when I see my phone ring from Jamaica. I'm afraid to answer my phone. Come in and know what kind of news. My sister never bother tell me. She wait hours until things happen before she tell me. Enough is enough. I'm a family this. This is not my cousin. This is not my auntie. This is my blood sister were born after me. And me then she. The system of a woman. The system of a picnic. And Jamaica Police Department. PJ Plain Police Station. On have a report over 15 years. And not go get data and not do nothing. You guys have done nothing for 15 years. Allow her. So what happened with our son could have been avoided. But you guys don't care. It's like no business. My sister will not be another statistics. She will not be another statistics. She's not going to be the next. I'm not call it. I'm refusing to speak that. But 15 years. Brother. Lower up my family. Walk the next way, no, brother. You not have to talk to me, sister. You not have nothing for talk about. Brother, nobody no call you. Nobody no send nothing to you for 15 years. At 2020, we in there, brother. Enough is enough, brother. Yo, people. I'm gonna tag that video here and send it out. PJ Plains Police Station, Jamaica Constabulary Force, Crime Stop, Dayton Henry.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her sister's baby father had been physically abusing her sister for 15 years. She also said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her sister's baby father had been terrorizing her sister and that her sister cannot live in peace because of her sister's baby father. You see me? She also went on to explain other things as well, viewers and subscribers, and she also said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her sister and her sister's baby father was in a relationship. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, some of the things that this person talk about in this video, I think it is bad. You see me, I said to you. And me, Seriousskilla, I don't support any form of violence. See me? I do not support no form of violence, no type of violence. I do not support those things. You see me, I said to you. And you know, in my point of view, the things that this person talked about in this video, I think it should be looked into by the necessary authorities. You see me? Now, the female that you see in the video that I just presented to you talk about a video that had been posted on social media. So I did some research to see if I could find the video that she talked about that had been put out there on social media. And I found a video. And according to where I found this video on social media, I get the understanding that this is the video that this female talked about. You see me? Now, according to some things that she said about the video that I'm about to present to you, I get the understanding that she said that the video had been posted on social media by her sister's baby father, and that this video is about when her sister's baby father threw stones at her sister. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that I'm only telling you what this female said about the video that had been posted on social media. So therefore, the things that the female in the video that I just presented to you said about the video that I am about to present to you might not be accurate, all right? But I'm just telling you the things that she said about this video that I'm about to present to you, all right? Please bear in mind, and I hope you understand what I'm saying, you see? All right, anyways, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can get a better understanding about some of the things that the female in the video that I presented to you said. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, all right? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Come on.
Viewers and subscribers, it's really sad, you know? It's really sad, you see? Now, viewers and subscribers, the female that I see in one of the videos that I presented to you talk about a physical altercation that happened between her sister and her sister's son. And she talked about other things as well, viewers and subscribers. You know what? Here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. As you may, I hope you understand what this whole thing is about. I hope you understand some of the things that the female said in one of the videos that I presented to you. And you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.